How many of you play cards, guys? How many of you play cards? Card players in the house? Shivam plays cards. Back on stage. I'm kidding. How many card players in the house? A couple of you. Nobody plays cards. That's my time, guys. Have a good night. No, we seriously need. Okay, does anybody have some change on them? Some coins. Look into your purses, your wallets, your socks, wherever else you keep your money, and look for some. This entire row is just like. हम लोग छुट्टे उट्टे करके झाड़िए. Just look for change. I need a coin. What do you have, man? What do you have? How much is that? 2 rupees. And anybody else?
1 also.
You got a 5 also? Alright, keep both ready. Madam, how much do you have? She's still searching. It's okay, madam. Hurry up. A 2. You bring your 5. You bring your 2. Give these 2 people a huge round of applause. This will be fun. Alright, while they join us, guys, this is going to be extremely important, okay? I have a yellow playing card with me. This playing card is going to mean something in some time. Alright, so for now, I'm just going to fold it up and leave it in my back pocket. Remember that. Yes, you can take your time, bro, but hurry up, seriously. Like, I'm so hungry right now, you have no idea. We have people waiting. What is your name, man? Nitish. Okay, Nitish. So you couldn't decide between Nitesh and Nitish. That's what happened there. Okay, what is your name? Himanshi? Hi, man. How are you? Alright, both of you standing here. Okay, Himanshi is going back now. And now she's coming back. Lovely. You want to travel a little more and just look at this. Okay, perfect. How much do you have, you said, Himanshi? 2. I'll take that. And yours is, Nitish? 5. Okay, 5 and 2. We've never met before, have we?
No.
You don't have to look so happy about that, but okay. 5 from Nitish, 2 from Himanshi. Watch. My sleeves are rolled up. In a moment, I'm going to ask each of you a single question. You have to answer in a yes or a no. Be absolutely honest. This is nothing we have to.
No.
That wasn't a question. A question is something that has a question mark, which you have to imagine it in a conversation. Alright, Himanshi?
Okay.
Answer in yes or no. In a minute, I will ask you that. But before that, watch the coins. 5 from you, 2 from you. Himanshi, be absolutely honest. Is this your coin?
Yes.
Honest, is this your coin? Look at it. Look at it.
No.
Nitesh, is this your coin?
No.
If it's not yours, it's not yours. They must be mine. Now you have some cash. Take out your coins. Come on, man. It's your, give me his wallet. Himanshi, give me Himanshi's purse also.
It's lost.
It's
magic. Koyo.
I really have to leave. Let's just roll this up. Okay? You don't have any lines. You just, oh, this is nice. You got $10. That is impossible to. Take the biggest note you have out. The greatest denomination. Same thing goes for you. That is okay. 10 rupees is a lot of money, dude. GPay. Yeah, you can do that. Oh, look at that. What do you do, Himanshi?
I work in engineering.
You work in, we should get a job then. Look at this shit. Oh my god, all this nonsense we're doing here. Alright, so once again, answer absolutely on. No, I'm kidding. But we'll use your money for something, right? We'll use your money for something. I'm going to leave it in my pocket for now. I will give it to you. You can put the purse down if you want. Lovely. And I do have a deck of cards here. Now, Nitish, do you play cards? No? Perfect, you're good for this. Do you play cards?
Yes.
What kind of games do you play? That is a very good game. I played it myself. I want both of you to take half each and give them a nice mix. Shuffle them until your pretty little heart's desire. Lovely. You did not drop cards. 2 points to you. 2 points to you. मुझे नहीं दे रहा है. मैं भी शिवम जैसा शर्ट पहना है ना? I know. Listen. You done? Are you happy? Himanshi, you happy?
Yes.
Lovely. So now we have 2 people who've shuffled up the deck of cards completely. Every single card is different. Yes? Every single card here is shuffled. Himanshi, makes sense? Alright. Now I want you to point to any person from the audience. We'll start with you. Whatever card the person names, I will tell you where that card is in the deck. Without looking. Alright? Anybody. Just point to someone. Ma'am, please, any card you like.
4 pan.
4 pan. नहीं order बाद में लूँगा मैं. आपके लिए सुपारी कुछ चाहिए? मैडम सुपारी के साथ खाएगी मीठा खाएगी? मैं गुजराती आदमी हूँ मैं नहीं करूँगा ये सब कुछ. 4 of hearts. That's what you mean? 4 of hearts. Yes. 4 of hearts is the 13th card from the top. Is the 4 of hearts. You point to next person. I will whatever card they name. I will tell you where it is in the packet. Where are you, sir? Sir or madam? Sir?
Ace of spades.
The ace of spades is the 16th card from the top. Anybody name a card, I will tell you where that card is in the pack. It's quite fair, right? Very fair, right? Now, no, but I really want to try something with you here. But before I do that, I also need my pen. So you're going to hold that. All right, lovely. And deck of cards shuffled by two people. So we're going to divide this in two parts. Okay? He gets to select the card, and you get to sign it. Okay? I've not done anything to the cards. Yes, same order. Yes. How do you remember the order? She just went yes. Card shuffle. All right. Nitish, say stop when I do this. Stop. Wherever you feel the urge to say stop, just say stop. I know it's funny because if you felt the urge, why would you say stop? Makes sense. But seriously, go ahead, say stop. Right there. Are you happy with this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody, remember this card. You remember it? You remember it? Yes. Himanshi, that's going to be the card. If people can't see at the back, it's the two of hearts. No, I can see the card. It's not that kind of a trick, guys. I can see the card. Himanshi, can you sign your name on this? Nice and big. I'll hold it for you so everybody can see it. Nice and big. Write down your ATM pin number right here if you can. I am kidding. Just your ATM pin number. Still kidding. Himanshi, go ahead and put a nice big signature across the oh, that's lovely. You can cap the pen. This is Himanshi's signature, which will not rub off in 1 second. Let me just, yeah, there you go. Dry it up. Okay. And my fingers are a little. Okay. Now the point is, Himanshi's signature and the two of hearts are going to go somewhere. I want you to see this happen. Somewhere go in the middle of the deck. I actually want you to push it in. Just push that card in. Just push it in. Lovely. You've done that before, yes? All right, Himanshi. Now you see the table over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you bring the table here for me? Yeah. Please. And just put it in the center. Be careful of this. Perfect. And you can lay it here without touching these mics. Lovely. It's okay. Yeah. Sound guy just went boom boom. What
I didn't do it before.
Yeah, it's okay. See, when the Nickelodeon girl says the punchline, doesn't work. Right, and Nitish, give this a good mix if you can, please. I'm just going to give you this. Hold this, the marker card. Do not open it. Just show it to people like this. Show it to people like this, like a nice home shop 18 model, right? So I take this back. I have a show tomorrow. Thank you. Are you happy with the shuffle? Alright, we are almost at the end of the show. Leave the cards here and cut them into two piles. Any two piles you like. You might have heard of something called intuition. Yes, intuition is not going to tuitions. It's basically your gut feeling. How many of you have had this feeling where somebody gives you a call and without picking up the phone you know who it is? Yes? Yeah, it's called caller ID, not intuition. But yeah, something like that. Two piles you cut the deck to. That is going to be the marker card, Himanshi. Whichever pile you feel the card, your card is in, the two of hearts with your signature, just leave the marker card on that. Yeah, just put it there nicely. Just open it up nicely. We'll leave it like this so people can see it at home. Lovely. So this one does not have your card in it. Yes? Nitish, do you see your card? Two of hearts anywhere? Signed? Nothing? No? Himanshi? No?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
Is there a signed two of hearts?
Yes.
Is it two of diamonds? Is what confused you?
I think that was the Joker.
That would have been the Joker. Man. There's no two of hearts. Alright, Nitish, just, you know what? We'll do this. Listen. Come here. If there was a two of hearts, you better messed up already. Okay? Nitish, I want you to pick up the marker. One last thing we'll do. Pick up the marker. This thing. This is the marker card.
Oh.
Yes. Divide the packet into two piles. Or three maybe if you want. Just put one card separately. Alright, Nitish, where do you think is your card, the two of hearts? Just leave the marker card on that. क्या है तेरे को इंडियन आइडल में एंकर होना चाहिए था क्या बिल्डअप लेता है सॉरी मेक इट रेन okay not these yes I have to clean up later okay now once again pick up I don't want to touch it pick up the marker card one last time take the deck this is going to be fun if you guys find your own card everybody go crazy pick it up okay, put it here Himanshi where do you think two of these left now put the card on that. Lovely. Do you see a two of hearts sign anywhere? No? Okay. Good. Alright. Can you pick this up? Can you pick this up? We have a bunch of cards. I'm just going to pick it up. Picking it. They teach you that at kindergarten. Hold it nicely in your hand. Lovely. I'm just going to separate these with my fingers. One of these cards has to be your card. Nitish, go with gut feeling. Put it on a card. Which you feel is your card. the sign two of hearts. There. Are you sure?
Yes.
You want to change your mind?
No.
You're happy with the mind you have? Good. Not the two of hearts, not the two of hearts, not the two of hearts, and not the two of hearts. One card on the table. Pick up the marker card. Hold it in your hand. No, that. Ladies and gentlemen, the two of hearts. Look at that. Not only have they found their card, they've also changed it. Himanshi, let's be honest, you've been handling the marker card the whole time, yes? And so have you. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Watch my hands very closely. Two of hearts with your name on it. Does that look familiar?
No, that's not.
No? No? Nitish? I'll show it to the audience. Does that make sense? Yes! The two of hearts! You get to keep the card. Thank you very much. Give them a round of applause. With that, we come to the end of my set. You people have been a great crowd. Give yourselves a round of applause. My name is Karan Chauhan. Thank you so much. Have a good night.